Hello everyone, I'm Nagraj, your Perf Test Coach. Before we deep dive into the core concepts of performance testing and performance engineering, let me quickly cover a few basics. Software testing can be broadly classified into two types. Number 1, functional testing. Number 2, non-functional testing. To understand the difference between these two types of testing, let us consider this simple example. Say you are trying to log into your Facebook account. You entered valid username and password and clicked on the login button, and you were able to log in successfully. This means login functionality is working as expected. Now, let us talk about the non-functional aspects of login button. After you entered your login details and clicked on login button, how long you had to wait to see your home page? Was it under 1 second, or 3 seconds, or 30 seconds? What if 100,000 people are trying to log in at the same time? Will the login button response time still be under 1 second? What if 1 million people are trying to log into Facebook account simultaneously? What happens now? Will Facebook be able to handle this load, or will it crash? How many Facebook servers should be provisioned to handle this 1 million concurrent user load? I hope now you know the difference between the functional testing and non-functional testing. Let's move on to the next topic. Here are a few examples of functional testing: unit or component testing, system integration testing, user acceptance testing. Here are a few examples of non-functional testing: performance testing, security testing, operational readiness testing, accessibility testing. The focus of this course will be more on performance testing and performance engineering concepts. I will not be focusing on any specific performance testing tool or application performance monitoring tool, but rather will be covering core performance testing and performance engineering concepts. Once you master these core concepts, you will be able to apply these concepts in your projects using the tools of your choice. There are many performance testing tools in the market. Few are open source and few are licensed. However, fundamental performance testing concepts and best practices will be the same irrespective of the performance testing tool that you use. Whether you want to automate performance testing by integrating performance testing into the CI/CD pipeline, or you want to build your own performance testing framework, knowledge of these core performance testing concepts is very important in order to build effective performance testing automation frameworks. I'm Nagraj, your Perf Test Coach.